huge crowds. We reckon in the region of 81,000 spectators today, which is absolutely wonderful for a first day. It's our biggest attendance ever, and the next 2 days should reveal a lot too.
He's a world record holder. Donegal farmer Ivan Scott has already shorn 744 lambs in just 8 hours. So his 2-minute performance at the Ploughing Championships this morning was just a piece of cake.
I've been shearing for about 12 years now. Yeah, sort of 3 months in Ireland, and the rest of the time I've been spending in New Zealand and Australia.
It's phenomenal to think that there's such one of the biggest shows I think in Europe now is held here in a small rural area, and that people just keep coming every year.
What's the best part, guys? What's the best part you've seen? What's the
Livestock, no wonder. Oh, it's amazing for us, Half of the Irish people are gathering here,
Never been seen before. First time we will see it like this. You come back next year?
Definitely. This is our 4th year, Definitely we'll see you next year.